How to chain ML models/pipeline models sequentially. Premise. I have been working on this ML dataset and I found my ADA boost and SVM to be extremely good when it comes to detecting TP. The confusion matrix for both models is identical shown below. Here's the image. Out of the 10 models I have trained, 2 of them are ADA and SVM. The other 8, some have lower accuracy and others higher by ±2%. Main question. How do I chain/pipeline so that all my test cases are handled in the following manner? Pass all the cases through SVM and ADA. If the either SVM or ADA has 80% plus confidence, return the result, else, if SVM or ADA don't have a high confidence, have only those test cases evaluated by the other 8 models for a final decision. Potential solution. My potential attempt involved the use of 2 voting classifiers. One classifier with just ADA and SVM, the second classifier with the other 8 models. But I don't know how to make this work. Here's the code for my approach. Extra questions. These questions are to facilitate some extra concerns I had and are not the main question. Is what I am trying to do worth it? Is it normal to have a confusion matrix with just true positives and false positives? Or is this indicative of incorrect training? As seen above in the picture for Model 5. Are the accuracies of my models on an individual level considered to be good? The models are predicting likelihood of developing heart disease. Accuracies below. Sorry for the long post and thanks for all your input and suggestions. I'm new to ML, so I'd appreciate any pointers.
This is a simple implementation that hopefully solves your main problem of chaining multiple estimators. Which you can call like this. Now if you want to base your chaining on the performance of est1, you can do something like this to record its performance during training, and add a few more ifs on the predict function. Note that you shouldn't be using simple accuracy for problem like this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.